Students who major in health science and human movement would go on to careers in physical therapy, occupational therapy, athletic training, and chiropractic medicine. The medical community is starting to recognize that we really need to integrate more physical activity into our lives. So this is really the perfect time to launch this major because medical professionals are starting to work more with exercise professionals.
I am going to go to PT school and get my doctorate in physical therapy. I was really interested in physical therapy when I first got injured because I've had multiple surgeries trying to fix my body.
My freshman year winter break, I shadowed Genesis Physical Therapy, and then last summer I observed at Rock Valley Physical Therapy in Muscatine. From that experience over the summer, I learned about aquatic therapy, lymphedema therapy, pediatrics therapy.
Chemistry and biology play an important role as sciences in these professions because as the professions develop, there's new discoveries in these areas, and as a future professional in those areas, students are going to have to be able to interpret new findings in these fields and perhaps apply it to their jobs when they are those professionals.
Students who major in health science and human movement will actually get to experience what sort of a daily movement diet looks like, all in an effort for us to mirror what we want them to go on to do when they're just living life and when they are working with their future clients.
Being an exercise science major, I know those courses, it's really about like human movement and honestly just being active yourself. And I know with Professor Braun, we actually incorporating it in different ways with like some of our other classes. In one class, they're watching a documentary and she said instead of just having them sit in their chairs watching it, like she's having them stand on pool noodles just to incorporate more movement.
I also teach a course in Introduction to Health Careers, which is for students interested in a variety of health careers, be it PT, OT, med school, physician's assistant, where we talk about the application process for part of the course. I also have speakers come in, mostly from our alumni network, in different professions, which allows the students to ask questions about what it's like to be in that profession.
The other thing that's really nice is we advise our own majors. So you get to know them as freshmen and you watch them progress throughout their whole time here. So many of them not only kind of become our friends and colleagues, but it also becomes a connection for our current students.